Setting the active cash drawer identifier in AAAPOS RetailManager. The Set Active Cash Drawer Identifier window allows you to assign an identifier to the active cash drawer. This is particularly useful when you have multiple tills and need to reconcile them separately. Steps to set the identifier for your active cash drawer. Go to the Reconciliation menu and choose Set Active Cash Drawer Identifier. From the Set Active Cash Drawer Identifier list, choose the identifier that corresponds to the cash drawer you want to set as active. After selecting the identifier, click OK to confirm and set the active cash drawer. This process helps ensure that each cash drawer is correctly identified and can be easily reconciled during your accounting or till management activities. Thanks for watching and happy selling.